Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change Google Drive's upload date. This is going to be an easy and simple steps. First, what you're going to do is open Google Drive and choose which file you want to replace, like change the date. Then you click on the file, you press on download. Once you press on that, you're going to press on download. Anyway, you're gonna wait for it to download. It takes a few seconds, 20 seconds max. It depends on the file, how big it is. You know what I mean? Once the file is done downloading, you're gonna go ahead and open it. Once you open it, you can delete this file. Then, if you want to replace the other one, you're gonna go here, file upload. Press on recent, and then you press on which one yours is. The file. You open it, upload. You're gonna wait for it to upload. It's less than a minute. Like I said, it's usually faster just because this file is big. So it takes a few seconds. Once it finishes downloading, you're gonna have to press on it. Finished uploading. When you see the tick, that means it's done uploading. So you press on it, you press X, you refresh your page, and there it is, your file, and the date is updated. Thank you guys for watching.